Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Oligayo. Feel free to call me the Bush. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can determine your skin type at home. This is a very common question that people do ask. Now, after the skin types that we have dry skin, we have oily skin, we have normal skin, we have combination skin, we have sensitive skin. A person's skin type is determined by how much oil or sebum your skin produce. Now, what is the meaning of sebum? Sebum are substances that the skin creates to seal in moisture in the skin. Now, how to determine your skin type at home without stress? Any day you want to do it, make sure you are not going under the sun. Just get a mild cleanser or a mild soap. Wash your face properly, dry it, and don't rub any moisturizer, any serum, or any lotion on your face. Leave your face for 1 hour. After 1 hour, get a tissue paper or a brown paper. Put it on your face for like 15 seconds. Then remove it after 15 seconds. If you have combination skin, you will notice that only your T-zone will be greasy. If you have a dry skin, you are not going to notice any oil at all. If you have your cheek and your T-zone, we have the same amount of oil. That is how you know you have a normal skin. And if you have oily skin, you will notice that there will be a lot of oil on your face when you remove the paper. Okay, now these are the things people with dry skin will always notice, because they produce less sebum on their face or no oil at all. They tend to have flaky skin, itchy. They tend to feel itching on their face sometimes. Their face will always feel tight. Now, a person with oily skin produces a lot of sebum, which can lead to production of pimples and blackheads. Reason being that they have large pores, which tends to clog easily. Now, people with combination skin, they may notice oil in some parts of their body. I mean the face. Now, those parts that are oily, they are called the T-zone. That is from your forehead like this to your chin. It is called the T-zone. It includes your nose, while your cheek will feel normal or dry. Now, people with normal skin, they are so lucky because their body produce enough grease with enough oil that can keep their body hydrated and keep their complexion even without breakouts. Now, people with sensitive skin, they tend to react to products a lot. They tend to break out a lot. They react to burns, stings, and the rest. Okay, they usually have visible reactions easily. Like me, I have sensitive skin. I break out easily. Let me tell you something. Sensitive skin is not determined by how much oil or sebum you produce. Okay, people with dry skin, your skin can also be sensitive. Thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, share, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of content like this.